Wild dogs, masters of survival in the vast, untamed wilderness. Where survival is a daily battle, few creatures display teamwork and intelligence like the wild dog. These remarkable animals, known also as African painted wolves, roam the open plains, grasslands, and woodlands of Africa, fierce, fast, and fiercely loyal to their pack. Wild dogs are instantly recognizable by their mottled coats of brown, black, and white. Each pattern is unique, like a fingerprint. And makes every individual instantly identifiable. Their large, rounded ears don't just add to their charm, they act as powerful receivers, picking up the faintest sounds across the savanna, helping the pack communicate and coordinate during hunts. Unlike solitary predators, wild dogs hunt as a team. Their strategy is their strength. Working with incredible cooperation and precision, they use speed, endurance, and communication to run down prey, often achieving success far higher than lions or hyenas. Once the chase begins, each member knows their role. Some block escape routes, others drive the prey forward, and together, they bring it down. But life in the wild is never easy. Competition is constant, and every meal invites conflict. Lions often steal their kills, and hyenas harass their packs. Yet despite the challenges, wild dogs endure through trust, loyalty, and cooperation. When one of them is injured or sick, the others feed and protect it, showing a bond rarely seen in the animal kingdom. Their social structure is fascinating. A dominant pair leads the pack, usually the only ones who reproduce, while the others help raise the pups. The young are the heart of the group, fed first after every hunt. This selflessness, this unity, is the secret to their survival. Sadly, wild dogs are among the most endangered carnivores on Earth. Once thriving across much of Africa, their numbers have plummeted due to habitat loss, human conflict, and disease. Yet conservation efforts bring hope. In protected reserves, packs are again roaming free, reclaiming their role in the delicate balance of nature. The story of the wild dog is a story of resilience, a symbol of what it means to survive together, in every silent dawn across the African plains. Their haunting calls echo, reminding us that the wild still lives, and with care, it always will.